Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add featured photos to Facebook profile in PC or laptop. If you're using a PC or any laptop and you want to add featured photos to your Facebook profile, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Here, just open a Facebook. Now once you're on Facebook, click on your profile over here. Now, once you are on your profile, you might see the highlights page here in this section. You might see highlights. So highlights also got featured. So you can add your highlights or featured photos here. Just click on edit highlights. And here you can see edit featured. You can add new photos to your featured photos here. Let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. Then click next and click save. So my featured photos are now being saved. Just wait for a few seconds until it's loading. And after this, you can see that your featured photos are here. You can also edit your featured photos like your cover. You can also add more photos here. And you can also add a title to your collection. If you want to delete your featured photo, just click on delete featured and then click delete and it will be deleted from here. So in this way, you can easily add or remove featured photos to your Facebook profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.